This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Amazon Pay Balance in Zepto. Many of you might be wondering if this is even possible, and I'm here to clarify the process. We'll go through each step together, ensuring you can confidently make your purchases. This guide aims to make your online shopping experience smoother and more convenient, helping you leverage your existing Amazon Pay balance effectively. Let's dive right in and get started. Before attempting to use your Amazon Pay balance, it's essential to understand Zepto's native payment options. Typically, Zepto supports popular methods like UPI, credit cards, and debit cards. Direct integration with Amazon Pay balance isn't always available on all platforms. Therefore, the first step is to open your Zepto app and navigate to the payment section to see the exact options presented to you. This will help us determine the best approach. If you find that Zepto doesn't directly accept Amazon Pay balance, don't worry, there might be indirect ways. One common method involves transferring funds from your Amazon Pay wallet to a linked bank account. Once the funds are in your bank, you can easily use UPI or net banking within Zepto. Another possibility is exploring virtual cards or other digital wallets that can be topped up using your Amazon Pay balance and then used for your Zepto purchases. It requires a couple of extra steps, but it's often feasible. To summarize, while direct Amazon Pay balance integration with Zepto is not always guaranteed, you have options. Always start by checking the payment methods listed in your Zepto app. If direct use isn't possible, consider transferring funds to a linked bank account or using a virtual card service. Remember, payment options can evolve, so staying informed by checking Zepto's official resources is always a good practice. Happy shopping, and I hope this video was helpful.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.